Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Actor Namit Khanna, who was last seen in Star Plus show Sanjeevni 2, answered some most asked fan questions. So let's take a look at the video.
Fan questions. Question number one is what made me get into acting? I think after the many years of my modeling career, there was a point where I met this guy called Rupesh Tiru. He is a clowning guru, and I saw one of his performances. It was a one-man show theater where he played 26 characters, and that just blew my mind completely, and that made me want to meet him and like figure out how he does it and really get into the whole process, and that's what I did. And I think that's what took my acting to the next level. And of course, once you do your first job, you learn way more in the actual job. So that's what happened for me. What are the roles that I'd want to do in the future? I'd like to do things that are very real, characters which have a lot of depth, which have multiple layers, like a boy next door kind of thing. And I'm not too keen on over the top characters who, larger than life. ठीक है, that's not my scene. Was I a teacher's pet? Actually, I wasn't. But in class 12, I was made the class captain, class monitor by my class teacher, for the very reason that if you make the naughty guy the captain, there might be less naughtiness. So I'm thinking, But otherwise, I was fun. I was a backbencher, and I used to have my own group. I was a science student though, so there was a very different kind of nerdy friends that I had. I wasn't nerdy by the way. इस लॉकडाउन में आपने क्या क्या नया सीखा? Well, मेरी स्पेनिश बहुत अच्छी हो गई, and I think मैं रोज़ ऐप पे काफ़ी समय बिताता हूँ, and it really kind of helps me be able to understand. When people reply back to me on my Instagram in Spanish, I'm able to understand it and also type out a message. Maybe some grammatical errors, but otherwise I've gotten much better at it. So that's one of the things. Apart from cooking and cleaning and editing videos and figuring out the software, I think Spanish would be one of the main things that I've learned during this lockdown. When is Dr. Sid going to come back? Mr. Dr. Sid? Well, hopefully when I figure out what my next project is going to be, because it is extremely important for us to choose the jobs that we do. Because as an actor, your every project adds up to build your career, and people see your career in the end. They don't see one project or two projects. So it's extremely important, and I'm still at the start of my career, my acting career. So I'll be patient and I'll take my time to choose my next project. But you will see me for sure. Funniest experience on an international vacation. I remember, there are many funny things that happen, but not knowing. Maybe the Paris thing where taking the train, going very excited, going on a very very special date come picnic with the Palace of Versailles, which is a little away from. It's an hour or hour and a half away from Paris. So we got onto the train and fully excited, जा रहे हैं 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटे हो गए. It hasn't come and we're like nowhere close to it. No. Can't figure out what's happening. Suddenly we realized that it's actually on the other side. So the train was going this way, we had to go that way. So anyway, we had to like get off at the next station and then take the next train back to Paris and then ahead. So we basically wasted the entire day. But that's all part of travel. It wasn't really funny, but that's what came to my mind right now. Asking about the story behind his latest Kerala trip. There was no story. I just needed a break because I think the production and my show had put me in a state of coma for a very long time, and they were not really using me to shoot every day. So I asked them, I think about 2 weeks in advance कि भी मेरे को I need some days off, because if you're not giving me, I might as well go and unwind. So yeah, it was a very spontaneous trip. My best and worst date. I think best would be one of my dates when I was studying in London. I asked this Israeli girl. I asked her out, and she decided to say yes, and we went to the River Thames. We were walking by the river. It was really beautiful in the evening. We had a bottle of wine, which we drank there. I mean, I don't know how and where, but yeah, we did that, and yeah, it was very nice and cute, and it was very exciting. Unfortunately, nothing could really happen because I was in my last leg of my study in London, and she still had 2 more years to go. Anyway, but it was really, really nice. And the worst date, I think worst तो कोई ऐसा particular नहीं है, but once I was kind of stood up. Was it on purpose or not? I still haven't figured, but yeah, I was stood up. So I guess that would be counted as my worst date. Next project after lockdown, like I shared, I think I'm going to just play it by ear and see how it goes and the options that I have, because it's important for the career, remember. Okay. What made Sidisha so talked about couple on television, and how did you and Surbhi create such a chemistry? Well, yeah, it was quite a ripple creating couple that had automatically emerged from Sid and Ishani. I think there wasn't, I mean, things like these happen organically. So for me, I was just basically doing my job sincerely, and it was, I think, in the writing that how there was so much banter initially in the characters, which came out easily, because I think initially we never had that, like you're not best friends. We were colleagues, we were working together, so we had a separate energy that we brought in, and yeah, we had a camaraderie more than anything else. So I think that camaraderie was shown on screen, and as it started to grow over the months and the course of the show, it obviously got better, and we had more fun while shooting, and we had more laughs. So I think that eventually was seen by everybody else on screen. So there was no special effort as such, but yeah, I think it was kind of organic. Yeah. One off-screen memory with Surbhi. Well, food, yeah. I mean, I think that was a common denominator for most of us on set, and for Surbhi as well. So we had, I mean, so many times we shared lunch, and we ordered some special things in the evening at times, and enjoyed it in between the shots. So I think खाना ही था, and जब हम शॉट के पहले भी बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि हम लोग बस बैठे हैं और सडनली कोई कुछ बोलता है खाने के बारे में, and we are all talking about food, from the director to the assistants to all of us, and yeah, I think it was so much fun to like just make food the center of the conversation most of the times. Quality of Surbhi that you love the most. Well, she is fun when she wants to be, and that fun is a lot of fun. I mean, that that sense of excitement, that sense of energy, that sense of spreading that joy, no matter what the situation is, where you are, and how you're doing, and how much work there is. So वो अच्छी बात है. I mean, that's something that I really enjoyed, like having that kind of energy around, because it kind of translates into your personal relationship, and also the relationship that we shared on screen, and I think that was really nice. Yeah, I think we are done with the questions. Boom. Thank you, and see you soon.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Namit. If you did, do comment and tell us. Simran Mishra, India Forums, Mumbai.